Having a coffee table really helps to fill in the space, especially in the living room. This is something that is a very common item, and I wanted to share a couple of tips with you just in case you are looking or are in the market for another coffee table. These are the things that I highly suggest doing prior to buying it. It will save you time. It will give you the look that you desire in your space, and you will be prepared the next time you go out and purchase a coffee table. Welcome back. My name is Tresha. For those that are new, welcome. I am your interior design strategist and coach, here to help you create a design strategy you can implement in your home. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. The first thing you want to consider when you're buying a coffee table is the size. This is something that a lot of people don't do. They normally just start with looking at the coffee table and seeing if it's the right price, it's on sale, and do they aesthetically like it. I recommend taking in consideration the size of the sofa or sectional that you have. Even if you are starting from scratch, the first thing I would look at is buying a sofa or a sectional. I would not start with the coffee table. The coffee table size is determined by the seating that you have in your space. So if you want something that looks cohesive, I would take in consideration the width of either the sofa or the sectional. You want it to be in proportion to the space, as well as you want to consider the height of it as well. So look at the height of the seat of your sofa or sectional to determine how high your coffee table should be. It should be something that is very comfortable for you to reach and utilize. If you have a small sofa and you have a large coffee table, that will throw the space off. If you have a small coffee table and you have large furniture, that will also throw it off. Coffee tables come in so many different shapes, and that is something you also want to consider before you buy another coffee table. When I'm working with my clients, I typically look at the layout of the space as well as the furniture to see how it's arranged, see the structure of the pieces that are in there to decide what shape the coffee table should be. The next thing I would take in consideration is the functionality of the coffee table. There are so many things that one can do in the living room or whatever room you plan to place your coffee table. I would take a couple of moments to decide what is the functionality, what are you doing in this space, to see what you need the coffee table to do. Are you planning to have games on the table? Do you want multiple tiers of a coffee table? Maybe you want to have decorative items underneath, and maybe you want a glass top so you can see through it. These are the things that you want to take in consideration but prior to, because there are so many options out there. You can really get lost if you do not have an idea of what you will like. Do you need more storage? There are coffee tables where you can lift the top and have additional storage where you can store away kids' projects or crayons, anything of that nature that you don't necessarily want to have out, or you just want paperwork hidden. This is a great option if you need additional storage. There are coffee tables that you can actually sit on. If you need additional seating, it can have a soft top, or they call these ottomans. It's not necessarily a coffee table. Maybe you could purchase an ottoman where you can have additional seating. However, it is also a place where you can have decorative items on top if you are not planning to use it for seating. Another thing I wanted to mention is the material of the coffee table or the style of it, which will really throw off the space if you choose the wrong one. I would take in consideration what you currently have in your space, what type of seating, what kind of style do you currently have, and try to find a coffee table that goes in alignment with the style that you already have. And let me tell you, that will also throw it off if you have like a wooden, kind of like a farmhouse style coffee table and you have more of a glam seating, lighting set up in your space. I don't think it will be something that you would really like to have. Before you go shopping, just because it's the right price, you want to take in consideration the material of it, whether you want a glass top, whether you want some metal, whether you want brass elements. Maybe you already have that in your space and you want to add that to the coffee table. If you need some help as far as what material to go with, and you want something easy to follow, I would take in consideration something you already have in the space. What material is that? And just find a coffee table that has that same type of material, something similar. Having a coffee table or two can really enhance the look of your space. Not only be aesthetically pleasing, but it can add more functionality to the space and additional storage. So this is really something you want to take some time to truly think about. If you are struggling with decorating and you really would like some tips on how to go about doing that, I would watch this video next.